Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a take down my Christmas tree and clean up the living room. So I wanted to take you guys along. It's been a while. Having a baby, another baby, the fourth baby. Hi. Come along with me and clean. This is the tree. The lighting's really bad in here, sorry about that. And yeah, we're gonna get the box. Okay, I'm gonna have my daughter helping me today, taking down the tree. I'm 9 months pregnant with the fourth baby. It's a boy, and I'm gonna need some help. So, got some company. Wanna move my feet? Wanna move my feet? Wanna move my feet? Wanna move my feet? Wanna drink my wine? Wanna move my feet? Wanna drink my wine? Wanna move my wanna drink my wine? Wanna move my feet? Wanna drink my wine? Down. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. What's happening? What are you excited for?
Jaden. To hold him.
Aww. Okay, so now we're gonna do some cleaning. Don't mind underneath like couches or whoa, a little crazy. Everything falls off of there and ends up here. And, yep, and then underneath here. So we're gonna clean underneath there and organize a bit over there. And yeah, so come on along with us. This is what the living room is looking like. Looking a lot nicer. Feeling excited. Okay, so a little bit of the before of the kids' toy. I'm not gonna organize them today because I'll need some proper bins, but we'll try and make it look nice. Okay, so that's the end of my video for today. I hope you guys liked watching it. I would like to keep up on these YouTube videos while I'm off on maternity leave. That's exciting for me. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.